Hello friends, in this lecture we will see next operation and that is hole milling, and for hole milling we use this operation for the large hole. Okay, there may be a drill, or without drill we can create any hole milling. And first of all, I'm going to create a tool, and this is the example of floor facing. We have seen this example in our previous lecture. So for tool, I'm going to create a new tool. So click here, or we can retrieve the tool from the library and click to see the preview. See, this is the tool 8 and 12, or see the 25. It is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to use this 16 diameter tool, and see, this one is my tool. So now select this create operation, and my operation is hole milling, and we can find the same operation in hole making as well. See, in this, the same operation is this hole milling. You can use this operation from hole milling or from planar milling, anywhere you want. So I'm going to use this hole milling, and the tool is the 16, and geometry is workpiece. Okay, and here we have to define feature geometry. So click this to specify the geometry. Select the geometry. So this area is going to be cut. Okay, and if you want some stock on the side, so we can enter. Now see, some material will be left, 0.5 mm material will be left on the side. Or if you want to clean it properly, so enter the 0. The diameter of this circle is 50, depth is 35, and the depth limit is through, and display it is okay, and just click OK. And if you want to define the depth, so here we have use predefined depth, and enter the depth, how much depth you want. Suppose 20, so it will cut only up to the 20. Okay, so I'm going to use this as a through. Okay, and my cut pattern is helical, and past stock as 0. uh, just generate it. Okay, let's see the preview. Oops. Click. Okay, I'm going to add this tool. The lower radius is 4. I want only zero point 0.8. Okay, or 0. I can use this animal. So keep it 0 and enter the tool number 1. Okay, now generate, and here we have one spiral option in helical. Geometry is my workpiece, and cutter compensation on all passes, speed and speed, strategy. Okay, here it is. Now see this axle limit. I'm going to change the background of this and correct this. So here we have one axial limit and one is radial. So for this one, for helical we need this pitch. So pitch is 25% of tool diameter. So this one is a pitch, and if you want to increase or decrease, it's up to you. So enter this as a 10, okay, and calculate. Okay, it will change. Or if you want to enter the distance in millimeters, so here we have the option. You can directly use this one, generate. Okay, and this radial will work in another option, and extend it is going to be extended 3, so I'm going to change it to 1 and generate. So only 1 mm it will extend on the top side. Again I'm changing it to 3, and from the main I'm going to change this cut pattern as a spiral. Generate this and see, it is creating the spiral. Okay, under non-cutting move, it is circular, engage. Okay, you can select this helical, start from center, so it will start from the center. Here it is showing some alert, so I'm going to change this to circular. Still it is showing some error. Linear, this is the error for the linear, so I'm going to change it to none, so directly it will plunge. Okay, and so here see, 1 2 3 4 5, so here we have 5 spiral, and here axial step over is this. If you want to change this axial step over with passes, so I am going to change it to 10, so 10 number of step over will come. See, these are 10, but the pattern is spiral, or we can use any one of this. Means if you want to specify constant value or number of passes, we can use. And here in this radial, see, this is the radial, so in radial step over it is 50%, and I am going to change it to 20 and generate again. See this, the radial step over is decreased now. Next we have circular, generate. Circle are generated here, see, all the circles are. And the strategy, number of passes are 10, radial is 20%. So anything you want to change, you can make. These are the all same options. Okay, in second case, if we have any predel here, so that time go to feature geometry, and here we can change this start diameter from geometry to change it to user defined. And suppose I have a hole here with 25 diameter, so only this portion will cut now. Okay, and just rotate it and you will see, and I'm using the same option. See, okay, and if we will see the preview, because of the tool it is cutting. Go to this and change this to 35. Okay, generate, and I will show you this in 2D view. Okay, it is not starting from the center. In 3D, because of tool diameter, it is cutting this inside portion. Okay, but it is already cut in previous drilling operation. Some hole is already there, that's why it doesn't affect. So click it, okay, And if I want to transform this toolpath from here to here, so we have one more option. Right click over this whole milling, and from this object here we have transform, and here it is translate. I want to translate this toolpath from this point to this, so it will translate the result. You want to move it, so it will move from here to here. Here it will delete and it will come on this new position. If you want to make some copy, so it will be on the both side, and both are separate and both are not associated with each other. And if you want to associate this, so click this instance. Now both will be associated with each other. Here it is 2, so 1 and second and third I don't want, it is extra one, so delete. And see, this purple icon is representing that it is the transform object. And if you will make any change, it will ask you that it will uh, feature geometry, it is a instance. Okay, if I want to make browse this, and I'm going to select this Mitsubishi post processor,